In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop laptop screen flickering in Windows 11. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go ahead and press Control plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. This is a quick way to diagnose the issue. Once it opens, just observe your screen carefully. If Task Manager stays stable while the rest of your screen flickers, that usually means the problem is caused by an incompatible application. In that case, open your settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Look for any recently installed programs, especially third-party antivirus or new software. Click the three dots beside the app and uninstall it. These types of apps can sometimes interfere with your display and cause flickering issues. Now, if Task Manager is also flickering along with everything else, then the issue is likely related to your display driver. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters, then right-click your graphics card and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and try clicking Rollback Driver if it's available. If not, choose Update Driver and let Windows search automatically. This helps fix driver-related problems after updates or conflicts. If the flickering still continues, open the search bar, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and run it as administrator. Type sfc/scano and press Enter. This will scan your system for corrupted files and repair them automatically. Just wait until the process completes. Once done, go to Settings, then System, then Display, and open Advanced Display Settings. Try switching your refresh rate to a different option. Sometimes even a small change, like moving from 60 Hz to another value, can stop the flickering. If your laptop supports dynamic refresh rate, turn it off and observe your screen. If the issue still isn't fixed, open the search icon again, type Run, and press Enter. In the box, type emsconfig and hit Enter. Go to the Boot tab, enable Safe Boot, then click Apply and OK. Restart your computer to enter Safe Mode. When your system boots into Safe Mode, check if the flickering stops. If it does, go back to Installed Apps and uninstall any recently added software, especially display-related or screen recording tools, as these can often be the cause, and that's how you fix laptop screen flickering in Windows 11 step by step. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.